Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore content strategy using Semrush topic research, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Semrush account. Navigate to the topic research tool found in the dashboard. Enter a relevant seed keyword that aligns with your content goals. Click on the search icon to generate topic ideas. Review the topics presented in the overview section. Look at the top subtopics for keywords related to your seed topic. Analyze the content ideas section for inspiration from existing articles. Examine the statistics provided, such as social shares and backlinks. Select a few promising content ideas that resonate with your audience. Next, switch to the Questions tab to discover common queries. Incorporate these questions into your content strategy. Utilize the search volume data to assess demand for your chosen topics. Cross-reference this with competition metrics to find attainable content gaps. Draft a content calendar based on your selected topics. Be sure to include different formats like blogs, videos, and infographics. Collaborate with your team to brainstorm creative angles for each topic. Create detailed outlines for the content you plan to produce. Incorporate SEO best practices during your content creation process. Use relevant keywords found through your Semrush research. Monitor the performance of your published content using Semrush Analytics. Regularly revisit the topic research tool to stay updated on trends. Refine and adjust your content strategy based on data insights. Be proactive in engaging with your audience to gather feedback. Continuously enhance and optimize your content for better results. Stay adaptable and ready to pivot your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.